Is no ordinary vision, kundi it should come from God.
There's a sound breaking out, Lord, for all
May
that you've
puso kayo
done.
para sa Panginoon eh. Gusto niyo talaga siya paglingkuran.
And now, we're turning our hearts to you.
Sarap lang isipin na napatawad tayo ni God.
Never stop loving you. Come on. This will be the best time of our lives as we encounter your love again. Here with you, our hearts will come alive as we declare your praises. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Come on. As we declare your praises. Whoa, oh, oh.
Sabi nga, yung tinanggap mo si Christ bilang Lord and Savior, nagdeklara ka ng isang malaking gera sa buhay mo. Yung gera na alam mong panalo ka pero sinusubo ka pa rin, Lord. Sinusubo ka pa rin kung hanggang saan yung paniniwala at saka yung pananampalataya.
Just to be where you are. And now, we're turning our hearts to you. We'll never stop. We'll never stop loving. Come on, let's break it tonight, play it, shake it. This will be the best time of our lives as we encounter your love again. Here with you, our hearts will come alive as we declare your praises. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. As we declare your praises. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
So kung isipin po natin maigi, itong part na to, prepare tayo para i-love yung others. Kasi pag minahal mo si God ng buong buo, yung relationship mo sa Kanya, titibay. Ganun na rin yung relationship mo sa ibang tao.
Oh, this is our time, this is our place, this is our moment to lift. We'll lift you. Come on, make some noise for Jesus.